Most people spend their entire lives working for money. The wealthy? They make money work for them. And today I'm going to show you exactly how they do it, step by step. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody tells you. The gap between the top 1% and everyone else isn't just about income. It's about systems. The wealthy operate with financial frameworks that most people never learn in school, never hear from their parents, and never stumble across accidentally. But that changes right now. Step 1 is paying yourself first. Before your landlord gets paid, before the grocery store, before Netflix, a percentage of every dollar you earn gets directed toward building wealth. Most people do the opposite. They spend everything and save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. The wealthy flip this completely. They automate transfers to investment and savings accounts the moment income arrives. Even starting at 10% creates a foundation. The habit matters more than the amount initially. Step 2 is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Simple concept, but most people's biggest purchase, their home, their car, their expensive furniture, are all liabilities disguised as achievements. The wealthy obsessively accumulate assets. Stocks, index funds, rental properties, businesses, intellectual property. Every financial decision runs through one filter. Does this bring money in or send money out? Step 3 is controlling your tax strategy. High earners who stay average miss this completely. The wealthy understand that it's not what you earn but what you keep. Maximizing retirement account contributions, understanding capital gains tax rates, using business structures strategically, these aren't loopholes for the privileged. They are legal frameworks available to anyone willing to learn them. A dollar saved in taxes is a dollar that compounds for decades. Step 4 is building multiple income streams. Single income dependency is one of the greatest financial risks you can carry. The wealthy rarely rely on just one source. Side businesses, dividend income, rental income, royalties. Each additional stream reduces vulnerability and accelerates wealth building simultaneously. You don't need 10 streams immediately. Add one, stabilize it, then build another. Step 5 is managing your financial psychology. This one gets ignored constantly. The wealthy protect their mindset around money fiercely. They avoid lifestyle inflation religiously. Every raise, every bonus, every windfall gets directed toward assets before comfort upgrades. They track numbers without emotion. They make decisions from data rather than anxiety or excitement. Financial discipline is ultimately a mental game far more than a mathematical one. Now here's where it gets powerful. These 5 steps compound together. Paying yourself first funds your assets. Tax strategy amplifies what stays invested. Multiple income streams accelerate your timeline. And the right mindset prevents you from self-sabotaging along the way. None of this requires a trust fund. None of this requires a 6-figure salary to start. It requires a decision, made today, that you will operate differently than average. The 1% aren't magical. They just play by a different set of rules. Rules that are available to you right now. Start with step 1 this week. Just one step. Because progress beats perfection every single time, and your future self is counting on the decision you make today.